Myrtle Beach ground, Baron 423 Charlie Lima.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, ground.
Request, I'm at General Aviation. I'd like to get flight following to Concord. It's Juliet, Quebec, Foxtrot at 6500 VFR.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, I have your departure instructions. Advise ready to copy.
I'm ready to copy for 23 Charlie Lima.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima on departure, maintain VFR at or below 3000, departure frequency 127.4, squawk 0746.
Alright, expect 3000, 127.4 for frequency 0746 in the box for 23 Charlie Lima.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, read back correct, runway 18, taxi via Bravo.
Tower, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is ready to go at 18.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, tower, runway 18, fly runway heading, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading 18 for 23 Charlie Lima, clear for takeoff. It's a pretty long runway. We taxied quite a ways.
Yeah.
Myrtle 1, when able, we'd like to reposition from the helipad to the hangar with Gulf.
Myrtle 1, roger, hold for just a second, departing Baron.
Hold, Myrtle 1.
The wind's a little bit off to the right here. 80. Gear up.
My favorite part of flying is takeoff.
Yeah, I like it too.
Like this.
See the water here?
Yeah. That's such a nice view.
Yeah.
What a great day at the beach. Oh my goodness. All the hotels and everything are right there, but there's nothing down this way. There's people
Baron
up.
3 Charlie Lima, contact departure, have a good day.
Over to departure. Can I go ahead and turn my turnout?
Negative, runway heading, contact departure, low of a turn.
Roger, 23 Charlie Lima. Departure, Baron 423 Charlie Lima, 180 heading with you at 1000 off Myrtle Beach.
423 Charlie Lima, departure, radar contact. Resume navigation to Concord and maintain 6500.
6500, resume direct Concord, 23 Charlie Lima.
Nice view.
Yeah, it is.
There are people up and down that beach. Miles. Well, it was definitely a great day.
Yeah, it was.
We got to lay on the beach. We put our toes in the water. I got my beer.
Got a beer.
We got our t-shirts. And a sunburn.
And a sunburn. The only thing I didn't want out of the trip.
Yeah, yeah.
But it was worth it. Yeah, it was a great trip.
That was, yeah, totally needed. Thank you. Maybe on the next one, Jared and Nicole, or Jared and Rachel can join us.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just both very busy right now, so.
Yeah.
All right, we're 3,500, 3,000 to go.
There's a lot of boats out. See them up and down that channel.
That might be the intercoastal way. I think it is, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the intercoastal. 5,000, we still got Another one to go.
Number 3, Charlie Lima, contact Florence 118.6, good day.
18.6, 23 Charlie Lima, good day. Good evening, Florence, Baron423 Charlie Lima, 6.3 up, 6.5 VFR.
Baron423 Charlie Lima, Florence approach, Florence altimeter 29er 89er.
29er, 89er, Charlie Lima. Lower the nose. Close the cow flaps. Bring this down to 20. By 300. 2321. Heading bug. Heading flight drive. Your heading bug. Autopilot is on. Hold. Should be holding. Alright. So next we do. Basically what we set our airplane up, 2300 as our RPM. 2100 manifold pressure. This is our cruise power. And I set the autopilot with the heading bug, so it is just a heading. I hit flight director on, and then I hit alt for altitude. Hit lean fine. The temperature right now is 70 degrees up here, and I already know I'm just going to go down to around 14 gallons per hour flow. So I just start slowly.
So you're going to drop that to 14?
Yep, so I just start slowly bringing the mixture back. So it's about 14. Don't want to bring it too fast.
On both sides?
I do one at a time. Got a headwind, we're only 155 knots.
So is that the headwind that you were expecting?
Yeah, I knew we would have it going back.
Yeah.
So around 14 is good, 14.1. I know that puts my temperatures where I need to be. So right now we're level flight, 6.5, 23, 21, 14-ish. Temperatures are good, we're in the green, everything looks good. We're right on our heading, which is 320 or 9, 330. Level flight, flight director heading bug. Airspeed is 155, and actually we're having a 150 ground speed, so we got about a 20 knot headwind, but 40 minutes out compared to, again, 4-hour drive.
Yeah, so that's not bad.
No.
Where's the timer that was there? Oh.
Going 40 minutes. I can switch that page.
Oh, you don't have to.
Actually, I prefer this one anyway.
Oh.
Okay. So we're on a 330 heading. 38 minutes left. 155 knots. Had a fabulous day in Myrtle Beach. We actually went to Surf. What was it? Not Surf City, but Surfside.
Surfside.
Surfside,
Yes.
which is south of Myrtle Beach.
I don't know.
Yeah. It was south of Myrtle Beach.
Yeah, it was good.
And it was packed.
It was packed. You can't go in restaurants though.
No, but you can go in and buy souvenirs.
T-shirts.
Yeah. We went in there.
We went to Neil and where did we go eat? It's called Neil and something.
Neil and Patty's or something.
Yeah. And had lunch, but we had to order from the outside window. And they gave our drinks and everything in to-go containers, and we couldn't even sit on the property and eat it. We had to go. We just had a picnic on the beach.
Which was really nice.
I did not mind that.
No.
No, not bad at all.
No.
I was actually surprised by how many people were there.
There was,
I mean, it was just like a normal day at the beach. Just full with their coolers and packed everywhere.
might have been even more than a normal day. I'm not too sure.
Maybe.
I think everybody and their brother decided to go to the beach today.
Yeah.
It was 84 degrees, blue skies. I mean,
Perfect, yeah. Everyone's like itching to get outside and back to normal life. So why not start at the beach?
Why not? The wind was, it was breezy, so but it actually felt very good. I thought the breeze felt good on the beach, otherwise
Yeah.
we didn't really have any shade anywhere to go.
The water was freezing though.
The water was cold, but the kids didn't mind. The
No.
kids enjoyed it. Not our kids, but the little kids.
Not our kids.
Yeah. Our kids, I don't think, touched the water.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
No. Now we'll have to figure out a place to go for our next field trip.
Yeah. Yep, keep making some plans and try some different places. 35 minutes to go. Not a bad day.
Not at all.
The flight is smooth.
Number 628 Bravo, contact Jacksonville Center, 133.45.
Actually,
3345 for 628 Bravo. Have a good day.
I actually thought today it might be pretty bumpy. The heat, you know, it warmed up quite a bit. In the 80s and clear skies, a lot of times it's a bumpy day, but
Not bad right now. It's very smooth.
yeah.
Yeah. I can feel like I'm...
November 3 Charlie Lima, contact Jacksonville Center, 133.45.
33.45, 23 Charlie, have a good day. Good evening, Baron423 Charlie, I'm checking in. 6.5.
I'm sorry, I had to jump offline. Who is that?
That was a Baron423 Charlie Lima, 6.5 VFR.
423 Charlie Lima, Jack Center, Columbia altimeter 2989er.
29er, 89er, Charlie Lima. Just feels like we're floating, doesn't it?
I know. It's like good sleepy time.
Yeah.
I won't fall asleep though. If I was in the back, I would. But
Yeah. Surprised they're not.
I know. Because they said that they were gonna sleep on the way. I feel like we're the only ones up here. I see no air traffic.
It's quiet today.
Oh my goodness.
Listen to, I mean, we're on Charlotte now, and listen, there's hardly anybody talking to them.
I know.
Number 61430, you're actually going to leave my airspace to the south. Can you try Jacksonville Center? How far east of you are you of Anson?
Okay. 20 miles ago, 7 minutes out. 3,500, going down to 3,000.
20, advise you have Charlie. Concord Regional Airport information, Charlie, 2052 Zulu, wind 220 at 12, gust 15, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 290.12, altimeter 2989er. Visual approach runway 20, advise you have Charlie.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, Concord Airport, 10 o'clock, 10 miles, resume the navigation.
All right, we've got Concord in sight, 23 Charlie Lima.
Baron 3 Charlie Lima, resume our navigation, radar service terminated, contact Concord Tower 134.65, stay on that code.
Over to 3465, staying on the code. Thanks for your help, 23 Charlie Lima, good day. Concord, Baron 423 Charlie Lima is with you at 2.9.
November 423 Charlie Lima, Concord Tower, roger. Into the left down to runway 20 and report midfield. You're number 3 to the airport.
We'll enter left downwind for 23 Charlie Lima. I got the tower here. All right, 2400, we're going to go down to about 1800, 16 to 1800 at an altitude.
Oh, I see the tower now.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. Right there. So the speedway here, 11 o'clock, airport straight ahead of us.
Yep.
And the tower is
It's right there.
right there beside us.
Experimental RV 66023, report when you're on a right midfield downwind to runway 20. Right now you're going to be number 3, I believe.
All right, out. Right midfield, downwind number 3023.
Concord 979 Alpha, 4 mile final, runway 20.
Hey, on November 979 Alpha Concord Tower, roger, continue inbound.
See you, 979.
Cherokee 041, can you make a short approach?
Here.
Archer 979 Alpha, traffic is at Cherokee on a close-in left base, runway 20, clear to land, the wind 250 at 9er.
Tower, Baron23 Charlie Lima is mid downwind for left 20.
Archer 979 Alpha, traffic on a close final off the base, no factor, runway 20, number 2 cleared to land.
20 clear to land. 79 Alpha.
Baron 423 Charlie Lima, Concord Tower, into the left downwind runway 20, you're going to be number 4.
Alright, we just turned left downwind 20, number 4, 23 Charlie Lima.
RV 66023, what type landing would you like to do?
He's going to put us out.
Be full stop and taxi back at 023.
RV 023, roger. Continue downwind, you're going to be number 3 behind an Archer on a 2-mile straight-in final.
All right, I'm right midfield right now, 023.
Number 041, turn right at Delta and taxi to the ramp.
Gotta love him, huh?
Oh, yeah. He's great.
Turn right on Delta, taxi to the ramp, Cherokee 041.
3 Charlie Lima, the RV's on the right downwind, about to turn base back off your left side, about 8 o'clock to you there at 1,200 feet.
Alright, 23 Charlie Lima's looking.
If you don't pick him up, I'll let you know when to turn base.
Yeah, it's a little hazy looking to the west. Can't see him.
3 Charlie Lima, turn base.
Turn to base, 23 Charlie Lima.
Archer 979 Alpha, taxi via Echo to the ring.
Yeah, Echo to the ramp.
3 Charlie Lima, when you turn final, your traffic's about 2.5 miles ahead of you. They're on a 1-mile final. You're number 2 now for runway 20, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land for 20, 23 Charlie Lima, turning final. See if you can see the traffic out there, but
There's some huge houses below us. Oh my gosh.
yeah. Metroliners over here, well, you can't see them now.
Yeah. But I love how some of these homes are kind of nestled in the quiet little private. Look at this one. Oh my word. Like a castle.
Cessna 10 Lima, taxi runway 20. RV 0323, taxi via Delta Alpha to 20.
Delta Alpha 20, 023.
Alright, we are clear to land. Full props. Very green. Oh, it's a little high, but we're time we get down low. Alright, we'll go after the RV and taxi ramp to Charlie Lima.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment below.